While Pakistan has systematically oppressed people of illegally occupied regions of POK and Gilgit-Baltistan for more than 7 decades, it has upped its discrimination and cruelty several-fold in recent times. It has shown a brazen disregard for the people with reason and has muzzled dissenting voices. It has plundered the land and resources in the region. Development projects have been installed in the region, but not a penny of profit or service goes to locals. A large number of them took to streets against the construction of Kohala Dam, which locals say will leave deprived.
People in the illegally occupied POK took to streets in Muzaffarabad against the construction of Kohala Power project, which they say will bring a multi-pronged crisis in the region. They shouted slogans urging Pakistan to roll back the decision of building a hydropower project in their region, which was taken with Chinese permission, not their consent. Locals say they will not give in to any political or administrative manipulation and will continue their demonstrations until the construction site is shut with companies gone. They say they were misled during entire pre-construction process and the two sides took their decisions keeping their individual profits in mind, ignoring even the existence of Kashmiris.
हमारा ये मुतालबा है कि ये जो ड्रामा हमारे सामने पेश किया गया है, ये एग्रीमेंट साइन हो गया है, वो एग्रीमेंट तो हमारे साथ हुआ ही नहीं है। वो एग्रीमेंट हुकूमत पाकिस्तान और चाइना के दरमियान हुआ है। हम तो खाली क्लैपिंग करने के लिए वहाँ पे खड़े थे। हमारा मुतालबा है अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर से कि वो ये बात क्लियर करें, ये बताएं कि हम किस जगह खड़े हैं, क्या हमारे साथ कोई मुतालबा हुआ है, हमारी कोई हैसियत है। पहले तो ये बात हमें सामने आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इस पे हमारे साथ झूठ बोला जा रहा है। आज़ाद हुकूमत के साथ इस वक्त तक कोई मायदा नहीं किया गया।
Earlier, a tripartite agreement for a 1,124 megawatt hydropower project was signed between the government of Pakistan, the government of China and Kohala Hydropower Company Limited, a subsidiary of China Three Gorges Corporation. As per the deal, a massive project will be constructed on River Jhelum in POK under the China's flagship China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Pakistan PM Imran Khan said this will provide clean fuel to Pakistan and POK. Locals say they will not get anything as Pakistan has never kept its promises in the past. While there are going to be economic and environmental impacts of the projects, the locals said that this will further deepen the water crisis and will hamper the tourism industry, which is responsible for feeding a square meal to most of them.
ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये हमारे एरिया में लग गया है। हमने पहले भी मैं बहुत बार ये कहा कि इसको हाथ से रोका है। मैं आप सबको ये चाहता हूँ कि आइंदा भी अगर कोई कोशिश की गई तो हम उसे हाथ से रोकेंगे। ये हमारा फैसला है, तयशुदा फैसला है कि हम उसको रोकेंगे, हाथ से रोकेंगे, कुवत से रोकेंगे, ताकत से रोकेंगे। और किसी सूरत में जो है वो इस तरह से ये हम उन्हें एक दिया था वो लूट के दूसरे दिया को हमें नहीं लूटने देंगे। इसलिए कि मैंने बहुत बार ये कहा कि ये दिया हमारा चेहरा है। कोई दुनिया का आदमी आप बताएं कि ये चाहता है कि उसका चेहरा मसक कर दिया जाए, उसका चेहरा जो है वो बिगाड़ दिया जाए, उसका चेहरा जो है वो खराब कर दिया जाए। ये दरिया हुस्न है हमारा। अगर ये दरिया खत्म हो गए तो फिर आप बताएंगे इस व्यापार में बाकी क्या शहर में क्या खेला जाएगा। यही दो दरिया है जिनको हम देख के भी हम भी खुश होते हैं, बाहर से लोग आते हैं वो भी देख के खुश होते हैं।
The erstwhile princely state of Jammu and Kashmir was invaded by Pakistan through its mercenaries in October 1947, and since then, the people of the region have been meted out in inhuman treatment. They have been exploited off their land and resources, but no profit has been shared with them. Pakistan has been manufacturing lies and floating propagandas regarding the region, but the truth is that people have been leading a life of misery owing to Islamabad's exploitative designs. And now, with China too joining in, the quality of life of people is going to and only going to deteriorate.